Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Creating an aesthetic girl's bedroom is a delightful endeavor where creativity and personal style can shine. Soft pastel shades like blush pink, lavender, or mint green often form the basis of the aesthetic plate. Incorporate dreamy elements such as canopy beds adorned with fairy lights, sheer curtains, and plush bedding for a whimsical touch. Wall decals featuring inspirational quotes or nature scenes can add a unique charm. Don't shy away from vintage furniture or rustic accents, as they can infuse character and nostalgia into the design. Open shelving to display cherished items like books, plants, and decorative trinkets while maintaining a clutter-free ambience. Consider incorporating a cozy gritty nook with a comfortable chair, soft cushions, and a well-placed bookshelf. Lastly, personal touches like framed artwork or DIY projects can make the space truly unique and reflective of the young individual and personality. In the aesthetic girl's bedroom, the possibilities for creativity are boundless, resulting in a space that feels both enchanting and uniquely her own. To elevate the aesthetic appeal further, consider adding a gallery wall with a mix of artwork and photos. Pastel colored string slides or fairy light curtains can create a magical atmosphere when draped along the walls or ceiling. Incorporating a vanity area with a stylish mirror and makeup storage can be a dream come true for many young girls. Add a touch of nature with potted plants or floral arrangements to infuse freshness and a sense of tranquility. Lastly, opt for furniture pieces with unique, intricate designs that align with the overall aesthetic theme, making the room a heaven of creativity and beauty. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.